Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to increase Snapchat score fast. First of all, you need to activate Snapchat. You should open the app on whatever device you are using, smartphone or tablet. Just click on the app icon or ghost face Chila. Access your profile through your Bitmoji or story icon. Look at the top of the screen and locate your profile icon on the top left. Click on it. Then you may check your score under your avatar or Bitmoji and username. Click on it to see your two sub-score. The first one, on the top, represents the sent snaps. The second one, on the bottom, represents the received snaps. If you are curious to know your friend's snap score, the method to follow is almost the same. You can see it on their profile page, under their avatar and username. Now that we have spotted it, let's see how to get your Snapchat score up. First, send snaps. Yes, as simple as that. Messaging apps and social media channels always prefer and reward the most dedicated users. So the number one answer to a question like how to increase Snapchat score is get active. Whenever you send a snap, you earn 1 point. This can go up to 6 points if you have been absent for a while and then decided to come back to the app. Second, open snaps. Third, add new friends. And fourth, don't forget Snapchat streaks. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.